Welcome back to Vego Garden. Today we're going to be talking about our self-watering garden beds in comparison to our regular beds. We've had a lot of questions about them, so we're going to be answering those for you guys today.
On the right-hand side, we have our bottomless classic garden bed. It is a 17-inch tall 4-in-1 bed in the 2x2 configuration. The bottomless design allows for excellent drainage and aeration, effectively preventing overwatering. Any excess water can easily drain out of the bed, creating a natural environment for your plants while giving you control over their watering needs. On my left-hand side is our self-watering garden bed. This raised bed is equipped with our innovative wicking cell system that closes the bottom, providing the perfect amount of moisture for your plants to thrive.
This is the bottom watering tray of the wicking cell tray. Essentially, it's going to be a reservoir holding up to 8 gallons of water and distributing it throughout the bed. We do suggest filling it with water before filling your bed with soil for the first time.
Now let's take a closer look at our wicking cell top. It is designed with air pruning strips, which promote healthy root growth by allowing the roots to air prune and prevent oversaturation. The bottom design also allows for insulation on non-soil surfaces like patios.
And now we're going to be filling the bed with soil. Make sure when filling your bed that you fill it to the last 2 inches or to at least covering the last set of hardware. The soil will settle over time, so filling it this way will allow for the maximum growing space.
We watered the soil and measured the moisture levels in both the beds here on day 1. 5 days after filling, we tested the moisture levels once again, and you can see that the self-watering bed has indeed provided continual moisture to the soil. While we believe that both options are designed to create an ideal growing environment for your plants, you can see that the self-watering bed has a much better moisture level compared to the regular garden bed. Whether you choose a garden bed with a self-watering tray or a bottomless one, you can be confident that your plants will thrive without the risk of overwatering.